Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to add audio to your website Wix. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. So first thing that we want to do here is we need to go to wix.com and log in into your account and open up the website that you want to add your music. Now in this case, I have this website here. Go ahead and click on the edit site at the top right on the setup or in the homepage. Now in this case, once that actually pops up, the next thing that we want to do here is we want to click on the plus button at the top left of your screen, or the add elements button, and from here you need to look for the option that says video and music. Now once you click on it, you should be able to see the following options. So first we have the video, second the music option. Now we have the basic audio player here, we have Wix Music, SoundCloud player, Spotify player, and iTunes button. Now in this case, we'll only be using the audio players here. So let's go ahead and click on it, and from here choose the format that you want to use. So for this example, we want to use this one. So let's go ahead and drag it into our website. And once you've added that, the next thing you want to do is you want to customize this one. So go ahead and click on the settings button here, and from here you need to choose an image for your track here, as well as an option that in this case we have one track or external MP3 if you want to use the external one. Now in this case, let's just choose one track here, and from here you could go ahead and add the artist name, track name, and the playback options here, which says play once or play in loop. Now from here, just click on upload track, and from here click on upload media, and from here you could go and click on upload from computer, and just basically uploading your music here for your website. And that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.